Alright guys, here I got the Blockbuster Family Pack by Ninja. Got this at BlackJack Fireworks in Las Vegas, Nevada. This whole thing cost me about $100. Don't complain because I live in Cali, so that's pretty good, since we only have fountains and poppets. Shout out to Jonathan because those are his favorite. So let's get this started. Right here we got this little small fountain. Pretty weak, but get to start that off. And then we got these 4 Saturn missiles. Everyone knows what these do. Shoot in the air, scream, make noise. Saturn missile battery. Pretty nice. We got 4 of those, so I'm gonna mess around with these. And let's see what we got next. Oh, right here we got a Color Pearl 96 shot. They're like in every assortment. Shoot flaming balls and report. So everyone knows what these do. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got a Happy New Year little cake. Well, pretty small cake. Emits showers of sparks. Shoots flaming balls. 7 shots. It's big as my hand. Pretty small. Let's see. Right here we got the Blue Star with report. Emits showers of sparks. Shoots flaming balls and reports. It's pretty heavy. Another 7 shot, but this one's like, bigger than that, as you can see. The next one we got is a Garden in the Springs. Another cake. Shoots sparks and flaming balls. Same size and weight as the Blue Stars, so I like those ones right there. Right here we just got a smaller Color Pearl 48 shot. Not that big, As you can see right here, smaller than that one. Right here we got a Happy Fireworks. Shoots flaming balls and reports, 38 shot. This one looks pretty nice. Small, but we live in Cali, so we don't want to start a war over here. Oh, here's another smaller Happy Fireworks. It's about that big, Oh, here's a Fantasy the Sky. I don't have that much hope for this one, even though it says, shoot sparks. Loud as hell, dude. Could buy this shit and film more. Whack. Right here we got a Green Bamboo. Shower of sparks, shoots flaming balls. Nice. Like it. It's pretty heavy. Right here, Yellow Bees. Same thing as the other one, shoots flaming balls. Same size too. There's one more of this one too. The Cloud Dragon shoots flaming balls. Same size as this boy right here. So 3 of those. What I really like about this assortment is that it has Roman candles. All by Ninja, by the way. Bad to the Bone. Roman candle, 10 balls. 4-pack. Everyone knows what these do. You hold them and shoot them at people, shoot them in the sky. Pretty fun. Here's another pack, but these ones are Starlight Candle with report. Another 4-pack. Nice. And here's the little. Oh yeah, let's get the small things done first. Here's a piece of crap, I guess. Fucking waste of money or something. Another small fountain. I don't know. I'm throw this away or something. Nah, I won't waste it. There's one more. Let's get this out of the way first. Another fountain. Cuckoo. Great. Here we have a little tube. Happy silver flower. Oh, I'm wrong. It's actually a fountain. That was a tube. Okay. Last but not least, we have the artillery shells. Everyone knows what these do. You know. I already lit one off. Loud as hell. But, you know, take these out. Put them in there. Go down. Light it. But yeah, those are fun. They're really loud for their size. I wasn't expecting it. But yeah, here, that's like everything, you know. This one's super crackling, but same thing. But yeah, this is everything from the Blockbuster Family Pack. Hope you all have a nice 4th of July.